Hi, my name is Poona. I'm a life and executive coach. I'm an NLP trainer and also an NLP master practitioner. And in this series of my videos, I would love to have some conversations around beliefs with you guys. Well, you must have heard about my signature program, the Belief Code. And it's one of the most powerful programs, one of the most powerful experiences for me, myself as a coach. Well, what are beliefs anyway? Have you ever been curious about what beliefs are? We've heard everywhere, well, you become what you think about, your thoughts make your life. But what is it that everybody is talking about? What is so mystical about beliefs that keeps us in awe of them all the time? Are they for real? Can we touch them? Can we hold them? Where are they? Where do they exist? Where do they live? Can we see them? I have never seen it. It's an invisible thing. And yet, it's there all around us, driving us inside out, taking control of our life every day, responsible for everything that we do, and also for everything that we don't do. So are you curious enough to find out more about beliefs? Well, we are going to be having a lot of conversations about beliefs in these videos. So this time I just wanted to come and let you know that we will talk about beliefs. Thank you.